All right, guys, welding wheelies. Today we got the Yamaha drive. Just got the springs back from Plowmans, which, if y'all don't know, is Plowmans carts. We're about to install the Plowmans performance kit. Let's take a look inside the box. We got a new air filter. And then our new performance clutching. Look at that. Secondary. And the new primary. They even gave us a pen. Look at that. That's gonna look good right there. Yeah. A new belt. Washer. Gasket washer. A keychain. And a bolt. Hell yeah. About to get to it. But first, we gotta come in here. We gotta get a couple of these things removed. We'll go to the other side. I'm gonna get this air filter out of here. We're gonna get this foam on this plate removed. So that gives us room to get down into here. Then we're gonna take the screws off around the clutch cover, remove this front clutch and the back clutch. We're gonna be replacing primary, secondary, and the belt. All right, we'll be back with you. All right, guys, y'all see it? We got the high performance Plowmans carts clutch kit. Here's the original clutches here. Demonstration. I couldn't do it on camera, you know, we were busy. So that's on there. You take the screws, 3 screws out. Get your bolt out. And you're gonna run this in. Your clutch remover tool. And go. And it's gonna stop. Boom. Now I'm hitting the ground, but you'd be hitting the shaft in there. The output shaft. So you're gonna run it in, boop, it's gonna pop off. Boom. Take your tool back out. Then you take off the rear. It's actually on like that. This is the outside. So 12 millimeter, and I'm pretty sure it was a 17 millimeter. I don't remember that one. Anyway, 3/4, 17 millimeter. Anyway, I replaced it with the Plowman's insulation bolt here. And they also give you a new washer to put in back there. So we got to tighten the battery up, get the starter belt tightened back up. Then also, as y'all seen, we got to put the air filter in. And Plowman's, to do this, you have to go through the tuning procedure. Here's a list of what you'll need. You'll need a tape measure, a 21/64 drill bit, any color of Loctite, a 10 millimeter wrench, a set of feeler gauges, 10 millimeter deep socket, 13/16 plug socket, 12 millimeter wrench, a small rat tail file, a small flat file, a 5/16 or 8 millimeter wrench, heavy glove for left hand. Fuel injected cart, you need a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. Well, see how this goes. All right, guys, we got our tools prepped and our instructions. We got everything put on. Now we're just getting ready to do the tuning with them. So we got to get this back hatch opened up, get the air filter took off and stuff so we could do a valve lash and all that good stuff. Y'all know the boys with it though. All right, so you see the governor linkage here. They want us to loosen this nut up till there's a 1/4 inch of threads left. You know, we're there. So it's a 1/4 inch. That's what they get. All right, one more thing they need you to do is to get down there to the end of the exhaust pipe and remove this spark arrestor. As you see, I already got the valve cover removed because we got a reset valve lash. Just waiting on the call back, trying to stay busy. All right, guys, y'all see it? It's completed. Plowman's carts, performance upgrade kit, also governor removed. That's the tuning part of them, is removing the governor. Check it out. Yeah, buddy.